How to connect JustMarkets to MT5 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect JustMarkets to MT5, that is MetaTrader 5. So first of all, you need to download and install MT5 and download the MetaTrader 5 platform from the Just Markets or the MetaTrader 5 official website, and then install the application on your computer. And after that, you have to open MT5 and log in. You have to launch the MT5 platform, go to file, select login to the trader account, and in the login window enter your Just Markets trading account details, log in your Just Markets account number and the password you set for the Just Markets account. And after that, select the correct server. You may need to search for it if it's not listed, and click login to connect. And after that, if successfully, you'll hear a confirmation chime and your account details will be visible in the navigate window, and you can now start trading with your Just Markets account through the MT5 platform. So let me give you some important notes like demo accounts. If you are using a demo account, ensure you select the correct demo server, and if you cannot find the server, go to file, then open an account and search for your broker server. And if you are using a Just Markets mobile app, you can log in with your existing MT4 or MT5 credentials. For MT5 accounts, you may need to use the MT5 app. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.